America in reality wants to squeeze blood out of poor nations of the world. They look blindly at the mass murders in Palestine and the whole of Middle East. They do not care about life. They only care about their international hegemony. An international campaign must be opened to expose America's duplicity until the world is aware of the massacres they have committed in Iraq, whilst lying that Iraq harbored weapons of mass destruction. America should also be exposed for what it has done in Syria, Libya, Afghanistan, Iran, and several other parts of the world. We as war veterans also want to condemn in no uncertain terms the traitors, Chamisa, Thabani Mpofu, and Tendai Biti, who have gone to the West to invite the extension of economic sanctions on Zimbabwe. Whilst we welcome the democratic idea of